Jenny from Shimmy Well, where we help you to shimmy your way into wellness. You might wonder why I am in regular clothes, messy ponytail, and a bare face. Well, I can tell you that we're going to be doing something a little bit different with this awesome playlist that Shimmy Well is about to share with you. It happens to be my own personal awesome beauty products on how to feel amazing and look glamorous, just like a belly dancer. So we all start off like this, a nice blank canvas, and then we put on things to smooth our skin, to look beautiful, to exaggerate our amazing features, and to stay clean and moisturized. So I'm going to share those with you today. Most of the selections that I'm going to use are extremely clean. What does clean mean? It means free of things chemicals that are usually very created in a lab, very much synthetic. Not that all synthetics are bad, but they're usually damaging for your skin, whether you take them in your body or put them on the outside. And a lot of times they're really not great for the environment as well. So just like you have to be careful about what you put in your body, I am very careful also about what you put on your body. So even though I have to look fancy when it comes time to shimmy on stage, I like to try to do it as much as healthy and clean as possible. So part of Shimmy Well is wellness. All right. So because of that, we want to make sure that you're using products that are good for you. All right, but before we can get started with sharing my routine with my health and my beauty using products, I thought I would help you out by letting you know all the different ways that one could work on not anti-aging. I hate that phrase. Why? Because aging is a beautiful thing. It means we are allowed to live another glorious day. So instead, I would like to call it pro-aging. Aging like a pro. All right, so just how I love to teach awesome moves to help you feel great in your body, today we're going to teach you through Shimmy Well how to enjoy life and pro-age with amazing products that are actually good for your body and skin and hair and everything else. So you can shimmer and shine and sparkle just like a belly dancer. But before we do, just a couple of tips that help you stay amazingly beautiful inside and outside. Stay tuned. All right, thank you for staying with us and learning about awesome ways to pro-age. What does that mean? It means using Shimmy Well's awesome advice of shimmy your way into wellness. So the tricks and tips of a professional belly dancer on how to feel your best, but in the most healthiest of ways. So I am 48 years old. Yes, that is actually true. And my skin is 100% natural. I don't put any toxins in my skin. I do not shame anyone that decides to use things like Botox and fillers or silicone-based products, but it is not something that I like to do, and here is proof that you don't need it. All right, the first and most important step, this is very important. Here's my little secret, little tip, little hint. Drink plenty of water. Drink it plenty. So it doesn't mean you have to drink a whole gallon at dinner, but little sips constantly. Also, if you are a big coffee drinker and drink alcohol, know that that takes moisture out of your body as it is a diuretic. So you want to keep your flow of water steady. Little sips, little sips, little sips all the time, especially if you go out and work out. If for some reason, I brought this over here, you're feeling an extra need for moisture, voila, coconut water. All right, second tip, guess what? Keeping those nutrient-rich diet full of awesome vegetables. I'll put these down here. And fruit. I love juice. I juice every single morning. And in my juice, I have carrot, celery, cucumber, romaine lettuce and or kale, lemon, lime, and ginger. And sometimes if I can find whole turmeric root, I will put that in as well. One of the things that's really helpful about eating from the ground is it does enrich your skin. So not only does it make you feel good and give you awesome energy, but it also makes you glow. The more you know. All right, the third thing to help you be a pro-ager is, of course, to shimmy your way into wellness. What has Shimmy Well been teaching you this whole time? It is sweating, whether that's running, whether it's aerobics, whether it's hip hop, ooh, that's not my forte, or whether it's biking or shimmying. Sweat, get out there every single day and do something. It doesn't have to be high level cardio. As time goes on, we learn all different things about calisthenics, anaerobic, aerobic, but usually the things that we want to focus on are things that connect our head and spirit and heart with our bodies. For me, it is quite obviously belly dance, but also other kinds of dance. I love bachata, I love salsa, I love teaching Zumba, I love teaching bar and yoga. I love, of course, belly dance is my absolute love, and probably one of the best ones for you for your joints and your overall health. But there are plenty other ways to get your sweat on, even if you just throw on your favorite tunes and move around, or if you go ahead and take a walk, or if you're loving a sport, or maybe just want to zip around in a nice run, whatever your flavor is, get out on there and move. Believe me, it'll show. And it'll make you feel great at the same time. And if you don't know what kind of exercise to do, come and visit us. The next tip I have for you for pro-aging is, we talked about diet, be easy on the sugars and processed foods. Yes, while it also inhibits you to have a nice body size, it also majorly affects your health, and sugar specifically will mess your skin. So I always keep my diet very low in sugar, especially processed sugar. I do love fruit, and I eat plenty of that. Kind of like a monkey on a tree. I will just grab fruit and just eat it right then and there. I love it. It also gives me a lot of energy. But when it comes to things like cookies and cakes and candies, not something I do a lot. Not to say you can't have it sometimes, special occasions, birthday cake, things like that. If you're just really, really craving a croissant, go ahead and go get it. But things like daily use of artificial sugars or chemically processed sugars like white sugars, such as something that might show up in your coffee every morning or sugary soda drinks, that will affect your skin. So again, aging, pro-aging instead of anti-aging tips, no smoking. Smoking directly gives you wrinkles. That is a scientific fact. Not only does it hurt your body on the inside, which always affects your outside, but it will also age you very, very quickly. And those around you, it will age them as well if they are living in the same household with smoke. So, por favor, no smoke. So my next tip are going to be products that you're going to see in the subsequent videos of this playlist, but there are products that are designed specifically for your skin. So what might work for me might not work for you. So I happen to have very Mediterranean skin that matches my very Mediterranean heritage, And I tend to have sometimes slightly oily to very normal, soft type of skin, which means it likes to be moisturized with oils, not overly moisturized, and never skipping any moisturizing moments. So whether it's in the morning after I cleanse, or whether it's at night before I go to sleep, or whether it's immediately after a bath or shower. You want to, when you're using makeup, you want to make sure that the properties of the ingredients are just right for you. A lot of times people have oily T-zones and then they're dry elsewhere, or they're dry completely, or they might have eczema. One of the best things that I did was I had a facial with someone I really trust, and she let me know some of the products that are good for my kind of skin. That being said, that's a really important thing, as well as making sure you use proper sunscreen and other things that will protect you personally. But I will share with you all my favorite products in the next few videos, so keep on watching. So, Jenny again from Shimmy Well, where we help you to shimmy your way into wellness. And with this specific playlist, we are helping you learn how to pro-age, not anti-aging, pro-age with awesome, clean products that will make you feel like a goddess, like a beautiful, sparkly belly dancer. Okay? So if you feel inspired and you really are excited about this awesome information that we can provide you to help you shimmy your way into wellness with belly dance and with awesome tips from a pro belly dancer, feel free to like this video and also subscribe so you can find out all of my favorite ways to take care of my body and pro age with awesome products. All right, see you soon.